Hi, I'm Bharti. Welcome to the Edu Bulletin. Let's dive into today's educational news. CBSE has announced revised dates and venues for 5 regional events of the CBSE Skill Expo and Guidance Festival 2026-27, following requests from schools and ongoing summer vacations in several states. The events will be held across Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Telangana in July 2026, providing students a platform to showcase skills and explore career guidance opportunities. CBSE has also informed that the regional events scheduled under the Guwahati region have been postponed until further notice, with revised details to be shared separately. CBSE has announced a series of one-day offline teacher training and capacity building programs for educators teaching skill subjects in affiliated schools during June 2026. The workshops will cover areas such as business administration, textile design, early childhood care and education, fashion studies, and mass media studies, and will be conducted at various venues across Uttar Pradesh and New Delhi. Participation is free of cost, and CBSE has made attendance mandatory for teachers handling these skill subjects to strengthen classroom delivery and skill-based learning. Ahead of the RE-NEET UG 2026 examination scheduled for 21st June, a technical glitch in the NTA system led to a candidate from Nagpur being allotted an examination center in Abu Dhabi instead of India. After the issue was reported, the National Testing Agency acknowledged the error and assured the student that a revised admit card with the correct examination center would be issued. The incident has prompted candidates to carefully verify their admit cards and immediately report any discrepancies before the examination. Supreme Court refuses interim relief against CBSE's 3-language policy for Class 9, allowing its rollout from the 2026-27 academic session to continue. The policy, aligned with NEP 2020 and NCFSE 2023, requires students to study 3 languages, including at least 2 Indian languages. The matter has been listed for hearing on 14th July, while CBSE has clarified that there will be no Class 10 board examination for the 3rd language, with assessment remaining school-based. Nationwide mock drill conducted ahead of NEET UG 2026 re-examination as authorities strengthen security and preparedness measures. The National Testing Agency has tightened security at its headquarters and across examination centers, while a countrywide mock drill is being held to test coordination and readiness. The RE-NEET examination is scheduled for 21st June 2026 in pen and paper mode across 551 cities in India and 14 international locations for more than 22.79 lakh candidates. Educator Khan Sir receives interim relief from Bihar court in Coaching Institute firing case, as police are directed not to take coercive action until the next hearing. The case relates to a 2nd June incident involving vandalism and alleged firing outside his coaching center, while investigations by Patna police continue. Ahead of the NEET UG 2026 re-examination scheduled for 21st June, reports indicate that at least 12 aspirants across India died by suicide in the 37 days following the cancellation of the original exam due to an alleged paper leak. The incidents have brought attention to the psychological impact of exam uncertainty, academic pressure, and the challenges faced by students preparing for high-stakes competitive examinations. Reliance Industries Chairman Mukesh Ambani announces the establishment of a new state private university in Maharashtra, following approval from the state government. The university's 410-acre Dronagiri campus will offer programs in AI, engineering, law, architecture, management, medical sciences and more, aiming to create a global center for education, research, innovation and entrepreneurship. Thanks for watching. For all the latest updates, stay tuned with the Edu Bulletin. Save the number 721-707-0100 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news and updates.